Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the 4-port USB in brushed steel. Alright, so as you can see from the front, you have 4 USB type A's and 2 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws that will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, let's give you a quick 360 view. All right, and then let's take the plate off for installation. Okay, nice and simple with your fingers. Grab at the corners and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and it comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay. At the sides here is where your screws will fit into to fasten to the pattress box. We'll flip it around here. You'll notice that it has the BS and CE certification at the top there. You'll also notice that you need to do a bridging system, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get the full power to the USBs. Okay, let's flip it on over to the side. Okay, you can see that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box so that you can have enough space to fit your USBs and enough for the cords to fit in there. Okay. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you'd like to switch your plate because the color doesn't match anymore. Not a problem at all, because you can order the plates online and they can clip on nice and easy, just like this. Okay, just like that. All right, so again, let's take the plate off. Let's put the original one back on. All right. Okay, let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, so on the one side here, you'll see all the places that you can follow us on social media. So if you want to head on over there, give us a like and a follow on any one of those, we would greatly appreciate it. Okay, flipping it on over to the other side, there's just multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. At the bottom right hand corner here, you have a QR scan me code. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page. It'll give you tips and tricks on how to install your light switches and sockets. All right, and then let's just take a quick little look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, so here at the bottom is our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBBS for brushed steel. Okay, here's our barcode. And in the top left-hand corner here is another QR code where if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of product there. Finally, you flip it on over, you'll be able to see at the bottom right-hand corner the recycling symbol, so you know that this is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please subscribe, make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Give us a like and comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks. Have a trendy day.